So Ben, he was very respectful still, but he really struggled with like, why am I here? And he didn't see the point in coming to school, and he really struggled.
I think helping students overcome their roadblocks really shows character. You can give up or you can push through and be successful.
One of the best things was how the teachers just interacted with you. They'd help you. They'd actually ask you if you were doing all right. They'll check on you.
He started to like slowly see that I can actually get this stuff done. And so he caught up.
He, for the past 2 semesters, I would say, has basically worked 10 hours a day at school.
He was always the first one here. Sometimes he would do doubles.
Each and every time I told myself, next time I'll do my best, I'll do my best.
Ben worked hard. He deserves this.
Now I'm here, graduated. The first one in my family to graduate.
And then he decided, I'm gonna take these college classes so that way I can have even more stuff done.
I'm planning on going to college, A&M.
He's just been a really refreshing student the last 2 years.
He's just that one of those people that everyone wants to see succeed because he's just such a great person.
I love watching students find that joy in success, that joy of, I did it, I overcame.
What I just said to him, because I was sitting out front with him, was how proud we were of him, and that I hoped he was as proud of himself as all of us are.